At GatesAir, we believe that exceptional operational design is of the utmost importance, and we take great pride in engineering the best solutions and user experiences for our customers. To illustrate this, let's examine and compare the liquid-cooled UHF TV transmitter choices of Mr. Anderson, who chose the GatesAir Maxiva ULXTE, and Mr. Flintstone, who went with a competitor's transmitter, Brand X. Mr. Anderson is confident in his choice because he knows that the Maxiva ULXTE is built with the most efficient, current generation parts made right here in the US, easy to replace power amplifiers, an award-winning Maxiva XTE exciter, pumps that can be replaced on air at full power, and a truly frequency-agile architecture that requires no tuning or jumper changes. Because seriously, who still uses jumpers anymore? Thanks to a lack of research, Mr. Flintstone is also confident and perfectly content not knowing that Brand X fails all those qualities. And he's blissfully unaware that he's one failed part away from a major shutdown and the need to wait on a replacement from Europe. Let's consider maintenance for a second. Mr. Anderson is taking an extra long lunch break today after saving some time and money by switching out a power amplifier by himself. The ULXTE's PAs are about the size of a large pizza, weigh around 25 pounds each, and are extremely quick and easy to hot swap. Any power supply swaps were just as simple, if not more so. Mr. Flintstone also took some time off work after damaging both the transmitter and himself by single-handedly pulling out the 62-pound power module from the top of the Brand X rack and dropping it on his feet. Adding intrigue to injury, he discovered that his power supplies were hardwired into the power module, making them difficult to access and replace. Taking his lumps, he instead opted to spend the off time with his visiting in-laws. You may think that the design of your equipment doesn't matter, but do a little research under the hood, and you'll find that GatesAir's decades of relentless excellence in design will save you time, money, and a whole lot of hassle. Contact a GatesAir representative to learn more.